Now we're going to look at the other family of verbs, which we call an Dara Reimniú. So these are verbs that have two syllables, and you can hear that. Cean, ig, tá gá sheoladh ann. Two syllables there. Cheannig mé an bia. I bought the food. Now arís tá séimhiú ann. That's our H to tell us we're looking at the past tense. So cheannig mé an bia. Cheannig tú an bia. You bought the food. Cheannig sé an bia. Cheannig she an bia. Cheannig siv an bia. Remember, that's the one that's you plural. Ye bought the food. Cheannig siad an bia. They bought the food. Cheannig an madra an bia. The dog bought the food. Agus arís inis táimid ag fécinn sin agus muid. We're looking at the we part now. Now, did you see that little flash there? For our Dara Reimniú briathra, our second family verbs, we don't stick our ending on just yet. We have to get rid of that last syllable. So away it goes. And the ending we put on is iamur. Cheaniamur an bia. For Arcade Réimniú it was amur. Runamur. But now we have iamur. Cheaniamur. Agus inis féach an bhfuil gota leathan an seo, tá, an bhfuil gota leathan an seo, tá. So tá sé ceart go leor. Cheaniamur an bia. We bought the food. Inis féachar an ceann seo. Ghortaigh mé mo lámh. I hurt my hand. Arís sin briathar Dara Reimniú agus gá sheoladh. Two syllables. Gurt ig. Again, caithfidh mé fáil ré leis an sheoladh deireanach sin. I have to get rid of that second syllable. So away it goes. Gortaíomar or lámha. We hurt our hands. Féach an deara. Sin gota leathan. Sin gota leathan freisin. Leathan le leathan tá siad ceart go leor. Inis féachar an ceann seo. Bhailligh mé na cópleabhar. I collected the copies. Arís caithfidh mé fáil ré leis an dara sheoladh. So away it goes. Agus inis iamar. Bhailligh na cópleabhar. An bhfeicinn tú aon rud an seo? Féach. Gota leathan ach féach an seo. Sin gota quail. Remember, I and E are quail. So inis tá gota leathan agam agus gota quail. Ní féidir lum gota leathan agus gota quail a chur le chéile. So tá sé mí ceart. So caithfidh mé fáil ré le sin agus féach. Inis iamar. I have a new version of iamar now that will work because it has a gota quail an seo and a gota quail an seo. Quail le quail sin ceart go leor. Féachar an ceann seo. Rúisigh mé maidin. I woke up in the morning. Arís caithfidh mé fáil ré leis an dara sheoladh, so slán abhaile, agus cuireann mé an deara, iamar. Rúisiamar maidin. We woke up in the morning. Féach an seo, gota quail. Féach an seo, gota quail freisin. Quail le quail, tá sé ceart go leor. So remember those. The question is air. The answer is just how you say you did it. And to say I didn't, it's near. Air and near. Okay, now for a quick recap. An seo sa Dara Reimniú, in that second family of verbs, na briathra gá sheoladh, the two syllable verbs. Cheannig mé. tú, sé, she, siv, siad, ach cheannaíomar, we bought. Agus féach tá guta leathan é agus guta leathan é. Leathan le leathan sin ceart. Agus an ceann déarnach bhailligh mé, tú, sé, she, siv, siad, ach bhailliomar, we collected. Guta quail, I, agus guta quail, I. Quail le quail, sin ceart galore. So I hope that made sense. An tain ceann chun cuimhnú the main thing to remember, quail le quail, leathan le leathan. Agus an rud dearnach, féachigí an folklore. Let's look back at that vocabulary. Inné, yesterday. A rare, last night. An tachtan seo caite, last week. An bliain seo caite, last year. An luan seo caite, last Monday. Seachtain ó hin, a week ago. Me ó hin, a month ago. Agus bliain ó hin, a year ago.